Hi, welcome to JurXNurse.com's Legal Nurse Consultant episodes. I'm your host, Elizabeth Rudolph. I'm the founder of JurXNurse.com. I'm an attorney, I'm a nurse just like you, and a professional legal nurse consultant. Be sure you hit the subscribe button so you never miss another episode. Today we're going to talk about how to keep track of your money in your professional legal nurse consultant business. You want to be prepared to handle a lot of money. So start off right with good accounting practices and a good accounting system, and you'll never have to worry. You don't want to get yourself into a bind trying to figure out and piece together how much you build, how much income you have. It's far easier to do it right from the beginning. Remember, the tax man cometh, okay? So be sure you're in a good position from the start. Or look, if you've already started, just clean up your accounting now from here going forward, okay? Let's go through 3 methods to keep your accounting on track. Number 1, use a cash versus an accrual method of accounting. Well, what do I mean by that? Decide how you're going to keep track of the money coming in. Simply put, cash accounting reflects transactions when the cash flows into you, whereas accrual accounting reflects revenue as it's earned and expenses as you incur them, regardless of when you obtain the money, okay? So that's the big difference between cash and accrual accounting. It's far easier as a professional legal nurse consultant to use a cash accounting method than an accrual accounting method. So again, as the money comes in, record it. That's just as simple as it can be. For example, if you receive money today, record today's date as when you receive the actual money. As you purchase an item, record the date that you purchased the item, and you will really find yourself going forward in a very good and comfortable position when it comes to the end of the year, when you have to put together all your income and all your expenses for tax purposes. Okay, number 2, open up a business account. Keep it separate from your personal account. I can't emphasize that enough, okay? Use the bank's online app. It makes it so easy because it's on your phone, especially when it comes to mobile deposits. So get to know the branch manager. Sometimes it sure is nice just to go in there and get to know them and have a friendly relationship with them, and the other bank representatives, because you never really will know when you actually may need some sort of help, or you may need assistance or something that you could handle on the phone. And if they know you, they're more inclined to do something to help you. So if something goes awry, you can handle it by phone, okay? Number 3, keep track of all transactions daily. I know it's easy to say, oh, I'll just record this later, or I'll purchase this now and put down the expense later. But resist the temptation, okay? As a matter of fact, in my experience, it's best to check every transaction on your mobile phone every day, maybe multiple times, depending if you have multiple transactions in one day. This way, if there's a discrepancy, which there can be, you'll be able to handle it during normal banking hours. Another one of my experiences is this, and I'm famous for saying this: things take longer than you think, okay? So just because you've fixed something now doesn't mean necessarily that it won't come up again later. So allow plenty of time to fix things, because again, you might have to actually drive to the bank, go inside, talk with a bank representative, then wait until after midnight for the transaction to be fixed or handled correctly. The key to accounting success is recording everything daily. That's the key. This means when you send out an invoice to an attorney for medical records that you review, notate the date that you did that. When you receive a check from the attorney for medical records that you reviewed, notate that date. When you buy something for your business, notate that date. By the end of the year, your books will be completely up to date, and this makes your life infinitely easier going forward, and you'll be successful as a professional legal nurse consultant. Okay, that's a wrap for today. We've gone over 3 methods to keep your accounting on track. Number 1, use a cash method instead of an accrual method of accounting. Number 2, open up a business bank account. And number 3, keep track of all your transactions daily. Do me a favor. Be sure that if you like this, of course, be sure you let your friends know by tagging jurexnurse.com on either Instagram or Facebook. And if you want to get our free guide, go to free guide, that is jurexnurse.com/free guide, and you'll be sure to get that. It's another way to hike your income. So I'll leave you with this quote as I say each time. In order to be successful, you've got to take one step at a time. Now go out there and make it a great day. Thank you.